Hello children, this is Class 6 English 1, Chapter 7, Part 3. We start from page number 40, Interrogative Pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. Means the words which are used for asking questions or which are also known as WH words, they are used as interrogative pronouns. Some examples are who, when, whose, what, which. See the example given in the book. Who is calling me? Or what do you want? So these are examples of interrogative pronouns. Let's do the exercise number H. Fill in the blanks with suitable interrogative pronouns. So children, we have to fill all of these blanks with question words in the place of pronoun. Number 1. Dash is the new teacher in your class. Answer is who. Who is the new teacher in your class? 2. What is your roll number? 3. Which of the books have you read? 4. Whose textbook is this? In the next page, question number 5. Which is the shortest route to New Delhi? 6. With whom are you going to the market? 7. Who are the top ranking students of your class? 8. Whose pencil is this? So we completed this exercise. Next type of pronoun is reflexive pronouns. Children, all the definitions should be written in your copy. Reflexive pronouns are those pronouns in which the actions done by the subject reflect upon the subject. These are words like yourself, myself, and herself. Children, it is very easy to recognize reflexive pronouns because at the end of reflexive pronouns there is self, self for singular reflexive pronouns, and selves, selves for plural of reflexive pronouns. See, there is a table. You have to make this table in your copy. So see, person wise all personal pronouns and reflexive pronouns made by them are written here. Let's see it. First person. Personal pronoun is I, and in reflexive pronoun it is myself, which is singular. Similarly, first person personal pronoun is we. In reflexive pronoun it is plural, ourselves. Second person you. Reflexive pronouns are yourself in singular and yourselves for plural. In third person, he. Reflexive pronoun is himself, which is a singular. She is herself in reflexive pronoun as singular. It is also singular. Its reflexive pronoun is itself. And they is plural, so its reflexive pronoun is themselves. I hope you have understood this thing. Now exercise number I. Fill in the blanks with suitable reflexive pronouns. 1. Misa was angry with dash for the mistake. Misa is a girl, so we have to use herself here. Misa was angry with herself. 2. I fell from the stairs and hurt myself. For I we make myself. 3. We enjoyed ourselves in the park. We is plural, so selves, ourselves. 4. They went to the auditorium themselves without any guardian. 5. When alone, I often catch my grandfather talking to. Grandfather is a male, so it will be himself. 6. The train came to a halt by itself. Train is an object. For object, we use it. So it becomes itself. Now we move to emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronouns are similar to reflexive pronouns. Emphatic pronouns are those pronouns which are used for emphasis and have the same forms as reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun have same form. Means that at the end of all personal pronouns, when you add self for singular or selves for plural, they becomes either reflexive or emphatic pronouns, but there is difference between their use. Reflexive pronouns are the pronouns whose actions are reflected to the subject, and in emphatic pronouns it is used for emphasizing some work. Emphatic pronouns emphasizes on the pronoun who has done the work. Let's see some examples. She herself asked me to call you. Here the emphasis is on she herself. Next pronoun is relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to join sentences, to refer back to a noun or pronoun called its antecedent, and also to introduce noun clauses or relative clauses. Antecedent means a noun or a pronoun which is referred to in the context. And relative pronouns means the pronouns which are referring to any antecedent. It can be a noun or a pronoun, means it is relating a pronoun to the sentence or the next clause, either noun clause or it is also called as relative clause. Let's see example to understand it. The boy who stole his wallet has run away. Here, word who is relative pronoun because it is referring to a noun. And which is the noun here? The boy. The sentence tells us about the boy who stole his wallet. So the boy is a noun, is referred with the pronoun who to join it with the clause after who. Stole his wallet, has run away. There are two different clauses and both are combined because of this relative pronoun who. In page number 42, some words are given which are used as relative pronouns. Words like who, whom, whose, which, and that are used as relative pronouns. We have to use such words in exercise number J to fill in the blanks as relative pronouns. Let's start it. 1. I know someone who eats only fruits. 2. The White House, which is beside ours, belong to my friend Varun. 3. The shop that had shut down last year is reopening on Monday. 4. My friend whom you met that day is going to the USA for higher studies. 5. The coffee which we had in the morning was rejuvenating. 6. The plants that we watered yesterday look healthy now. So you see, in all of the sentences, clauses are joined because of relative pronouns. And all relative pronouns used here are who, which, that, whom, etc. Next is indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refer to persons or things in general rather than to a specific person or thing. Means these pronouns are used for generalizing things. When we are not talking about any person or anything personally or specifically, then the pronouns used are indefinite pronouns, means which are not definite. Examples: everybody knows that she is a good singer. Here, everybody is a general pronoun. It is not referring to a girl or a boy or an object, but everybody. Number B. When I joined my new school, I did not know anybody. Again, here, anybody refers to the people whose name is not specific. Some examples of indefinite pronouns are all, any, and several. Next type of pronoun is distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns are used to refer to persons or objects one at a time. Example: each of the students must carry his identity card with him. Some more distributive pronouns are each, either, and neither. In all of these, we are talking about only one person, any one. Again, it is not personal, but it refers to any one person or object at a time. If we are talking to a group and we use each, means it is for all individuals. We are talking each student at a time, but we are talking to all the students. We have reached to the last type of pronouns, reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns are used to refer to two or more people who can carry out an action at the same time and are affected by its consequences at the same time. Means it is not for one person or one thing. It always refers to at least two. It can be for two or more people because its consequences affects both or all the number of persons we are referring to at the same time. Example: Jack and Jill help each other. Jack and Jill are two people and they are helping each other. Both are affected by the result of their help. Next, all the team members should help one another. Here, there are many members of the team and each member is affected with another one. So one another is for all pairs in a team. Reciprocal pronouns are each other and one another. Each other is used when two persons are involved. One another is used when more than two persons are involved. So reciprocal pronouns are only two. We have to remember when there are only two persons we are talking about, then use of each other. But when there are more than two persons involved, then it will be one another. So we have completed all types of pronouns. Let's do the exercise number K. It is to be done in your copy. Identify the pronouns in bold in the given sentences. The first one has been done for you. 1. Who wishes to see me? Who? It is interrogative pronoun. 2. You are my best friend. You is personal pronoun. 3. John hit himself when he fell from the camel. Himself is reflexive pronoun. 4. These are the books that I kept on the table. These is demonstrative pronoun. 5. The girl who came late was punished. Who is relative pronoun. 6. This book is mine. Mine is possessive pronoun. 7. He himself went to buy the chocolates. It is emphatic pronoun. 8. The boy who gave the television interview is my friend. Who is relative pronoun. 9. Neither of them has been to London earlier. Neither is distributive pronoun. And 10. Everybody appreciated the child's efforts though he did not win. Everybody is indefinite pronoun. Now, the last exercise of this chapter, number L, to be done in copy. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns from the box. So, hint is given here. We have to choose correct pronoun from there and complete the sentences. 1. I have directly written the answers. Either of them can represent the school in the competition since both are good singers. 2. Despite being rivals, Rahul and Vivek do not disrespect each other. 3. Neither of these boys stays in Delhi. 4. The students of the entire class looked at one another in surprise when the teacher told them about a surprise test. 5. Would you like to have something? 6. I don't feel like having anything. 7. Nobody wants to play in that park during the rainy season. 8. Somebody wants to meet you. The chapter completes here. You have to write all the exercises where I have written copy. In copy, write them in copy, and all the definitions and important tables should be made in your copy. Thank you.